Today's Tuesday, May 4th. This is the 1959 one-year-only Cadillac steering column for the DeVille Convertible. This is an original vintage unit removed from a running operating vehicle, and I'm going to be doing a complete tear down and level 10 restoration of this steering column. Each of the individual components will be separately disassembled, all the bearing sets replaced, complete rewiring of the turn signal wiring harness, rechroming of the shifting lever and turn signal lever, complete restoration of the neutral safety switch, and then each of the individual components will be climatized and surface treated, including the bottom spline, the primary spline shaft that runs through the center of the unit, and then each of the individual external components such as the shifting tube body and the shifting collar and the top head will be individually sprayed to the original GM Cadillac trim code interior. And that will be a complete level 10 restoration upon completion. So this is the first video showing the as removed unit, first video out of a 4-video set. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items in my collection. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Tuesday, May 4th. Thank you very kindly. This is George in Florida.